Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri, Yadadi the 29th edition.
Destalker!
How can you come here if you can't run? Pull up, pull up. Action, gorilla. You ready? It's my bite, it's a duke, it's what I die. Pull up, action, gorilla. Hilari. How can you come here if you can't run? How can you come here? Run can kill you. Kill a man. Run can kill you. Kill a man. Die. Slogan. Die. Slogan. I can feel you. Feel a man. I can feel you.
Yadadi.
Pull up.
Thank you. That's my DJ. Alpha. Wow. I don't try. Let's start the show now. Please put your hands together for every artist that have performed for tonight. Now, put your hands together for the convener of this show, Ushbebe. Yes. I love you too. That's a beautiful one. Monica Fonio. Mona clap for Monica. Jesus. Monica, they perform at the fear. I say, which I want to talk now. All right, if you are meeting me for the first time, my full name, Dr. Ogene Kokoyan, Ogene Brien, Onaibe Desmond. They call me the comedy catalyst, Dr. One of Nigerian comedy. You know me, the one of Adeshokwe Kingdom. The other Beko is a one. Ego na bomb one. Do no me one. Multiples are what we need comedian back to back for 8 years still counting. By bet, I be comedian and I'm funny. Now let's start properly. The cash person went thief sanding. He said na him first time. And they see the sanding for under his shoe. That one a first time style. Okay, where is supposed to see people when they thief? Start tell them. Not behind the supposed to. Please, sorry, let's start now. You know, say life no hard. Now you get big project. See, everybody want to get project, I know they feel bad. It's not so hard. One of my guys want to come from Lagos. Where am now? MP. Obina. He just come from Lagos because of this show. Yes, now, big boy. He did last court now. Room 10. That fuck one Monica they talk now. The guy. Jesus. The fuck say me the girl do like we want thief boss. By Lord boss. The girl say which type did I say do like this? Oh, BB. AVP Moscow. Big boys. See men now. Big boys from Russia, from South Africa, from Udwere. Warri boy. Alpha. Okay. When that guy talk that joke, say if he deal with 4 billionaire, now this will be 5 billionaire.
I see the money coming.
This is a way which money you see. This work, you need education for everything. I don't know, say Warri, all this point they do massage for Warri don't cost. They carry me go one spa. Instead of man, I use the one when they last quarter. I just say your own go cost. Now they carry me go one for what be that place. So I reach the girl just say lie down. You want to rob me? I'm very aggressive, everything for Warri and just get the way to do. I say how much? He said which one I want to. I say deep tissue. Now I say 300. I get 300 and body pay me.
them do? I know they see them, who get them do?
Now the way the country they go now, I won't beg you. Get plan B. Get plan B. Make sure say your plan B synchronize with your plan A. I be comedian, listen to me. Not what you plan to do with this listing. Now joke, not because after this talk when I talk now, I'll leave my ear, you go video. The people go to send me the video, not be your voice with this. You want the country get plan B? See last God, I just they build everywhere. Me I don't start for Ugelio. Chief Lawrence, where you there? Not my Monica, small boy from Bayelsa. One will just give a platform. God they talk to you anyhow. Say you and Soludo Pikin. Even though you no lie, but Jesus. Now what do me like that? If I two have to follow Jesus. For that smart one I tell Chief Lawrence. Yeah, this one I want to tell her. Chief Lawrence. I'm on my way. You know they walk well. This way. Chief Lawrence, you say my own, you understand that because me and you now CEO. You get hotel, I get hotel. You get farm, I get farm. But you never get transport company now. You get transport company, you get transport company. I get so now two CEO they talk. Not that jobless comedian. Get plan B. The way the country they go now, Tinubu now want what they make us happy. If you just notice in a comedy they gather on, it go burn down. Too busy to be I say for Mugeli at the drive call Warri, I see one billboard. Tinubu Day, Sheriff Day. They write for the billboard. Expect more. Expect what? Open up to us. Oh. Not be that one pay me in song. Sheyi tweet. Nigeria should calm down. My daddy is driving us somewhere. Now I comment. I won't come down here.
My papa it's too like
that my papa. When I say my papa just married. Did you wait? That my papa a bad guy, yo. I don't know where I get this picture from since I introduced my papa, give Chief Lawrence. You know, say the one I see the wedding picture. Now so I surprised. My tell now my papa invite me. If I lie, I die. My papa just coming. Ona be my vote. No say get the level when you go reach your papa go be friends. Ona be my vote. As I did. On the 23rd, you free?
I never see before.
Not be your papa, calm down. I said, Daddy, I know free, I go London on the 20th. It's okay. I said, my daughter, you may not hear man's rumor. I dey marry one sharp girl. True, when I see the girl sharp. The sharp. Flash a lie. Not be joke. See, not be lie. See, what he pay me? Not be say the girl marry my papa. You know, say I ask my papa, say, how old is the girl? My papa say the girl at 21 years. My father is 75. Now I tell my papa, say, the family agree. Now my papa say when he first reached there, when I hear a true story. My papa say when he first reached there, the family no agree. Now sit the father and the mother of the girl down. My papa senior in-law.
Sunshine.
I don't come again. So give to the word.
They do the marriage on the 23rd of May. On the 24th of May, the girl just opened her TikTok account, the Destalker stepmom.
Oh man, I'm acting. Oh man, I'm acting.
Either way, now I don't think I won't go marry the girl mom, so that my father will be my stepson. Joke, reality, not be Shere Cambia. Now listen, I was talking about plan B. All right, see on my white, former hype man. No, you don't be former hype man. Give me the change. Give me the chain. Let me give me the chain. Yes, now, bro. Listen, any work when they go get plan B, if they do hook up, yeah, learn massage. Now, so my joke they build, you go they laugh, you go they learn. You know they learn. Write them down, jot things down. If you know how to be right, record. Flash money. Apa. But no, you say what thing? Now big boy yo. Now help man. Flash. In the hide now. Ah. The first I want to see you, I know say you go get that work. Anyway, you don't say any work when they do, if you find you get added advantage. You know no say. Oh, be big man, yeah. The big man don't go. Okay, now the yaya when they talk with this. Now, madam, I joke. God, these women get the way they take deal. You know, say get joke when I go crack now if it be real life. The wife will go and say, now tell me that truly you don't know him. Every job you are doing, you need wisdom. Listen to me. Wisdom is the application of sense. Everybody gets sense, but not everybody they use them. If they use them, now be that guy wisdom not be here. In they apply the sense. All right. You know, say fine girl just come meet you now. I use you as an example. You never married. Listen to me. One girl you got meet now, fine girl with your hair. I'm a masseuse. That's massage. Now so like every family get this kind of person. Yes. I know. Not what they wanted me, they send that guy. Leave him. That guy as he did so, he did useful for his family. He made bad job happen for their family. And go, I will say Jude they around. See what Obis. Man, listen to literate. Oh, this luxury spa. See where I'm supposed to go. This one they get massage and massage you. Big boy. They yell. All those people, hey, they don't get happy ending. They don't get happy ending with your fake goat shit, idiot. I'm a white. You know what about adult discover? The rich act as if they are poor. The poor. I'm a white, stand up, make them see something. Stand up, idiot, and they say stand up. They can have pride. See the Oga, see the Oga. King Lascott, please, can you stand up for recognition? You go stand, a big man. Stand, now make the thing say you get. See, humble, humility, one killer. Now see who that they help. I'm a wife, stand up. And this is gold. Now me and they go Akbaro when he buy a mo for Kokoko. Who sell her for that? Tell us, me know where I'm ready for. Thunder. Now, we are on our office day. Uti Road. Okay. On Monday I will come massage. Massage abi? Good. Premium abi? I will come there on Monday. You are working there. You don't say get the way you go poor, eh? If you drink poison, it will be like tea. Now that level on my white day now. You say you love me, idiot. That's the worst level of poverty. When they insult you, they are happy. Every work what they do, you get sense. Like this job now, this comedy job now. You get the joke when I go crack, that's when they laugh. I go jump from big boy, waka come out, and I will scream. Abi, all those massage, for Lagos, they're wicked. As you come, they will lie you slate. They'll call the massage. See the way they start your massage. They first start for your leg. At the massage, you know, say that time you go lie down. When they don't massage you, they go say, sir, can you turn? You know. Wait. As you hear, can you turn? You got to see the idiot. Must I turn? Now, as you turn, everywhere standing ovation. Now, the girl don't know say yes. The thing don't work. They call rub your lap, rub your lap, rub your lap. This no more. As he stand, the girl go say, I'm done. If you're happy for make some noise. Alright, I'll do this and I'll drop the mic. I don't try. Yeah, my guy is coming. Far's a bad guy. Big boy. Now I want to beg you, do your best and leave the rest. You're not the satisfied woman. Do you hear me? Listen to me. You don't satisfy a woman. Do your best and leave the rest. Not be say, girl, they say, you are dear, you are dear. How dare you? Not before Port Harcourt. I do one girl. As we the Umbebe. Now the girls, oh, they're wicked, all these guys, that they know when you want to come. You come here, don't tell me you are coming. Because you did not, I'm not coming. And when my daughter, I go to change style. You get when I do one day, I don't tire and I do like this. Now the girl say, which type be that? Say snake in the monkey shadow. Say move. One don't tell me I move like a moving train. I say, ooh, I be keke.
Yes, fine girls won't come my way.
I have it fun. Now, advice. We are baggy picking. We are baggy. What's wrong with you now? So as you spread, at the same time by begin you spread. Like say now you work for the money. This one, I want pound. Next of kin, next of kin. My correct guy. How about our life now? Now so it be. See your papa, he live well for you. I mean, they live well for my papa now.
How many times they will tell the person? They know they pay to get any lesson.
I was asked in one interview, exclusive interview. They say, what's the difference between me and Davido? Now I explain. I said, first Davido flight, now my papa pay. My papa first flight, now me pay.
Record.
You say? Now listen to me, sir. I don't know what you are passing through. Listen, can I talk to you? The fact that your back is on the ground is not your background. Because you just pity yourself. You say, I know what they tell yourself, oh God, when who buy this thing by senior rank? When success don't come by prayer. Now hard work. Live it up. We might find something. Live it up. You did hear me? You know, I saw they support people. You don't understand? Shaba, are you okay now? Ordinary 50,000, so as your face change.
When you hear the kick,
That's what you do. I go matter. Sorry. EFCC numbers. OTB money. Now, please, a round of applause for OTB. I didn't sign out. A round of applause for OTB. No. This guy might be the brain behind this full show. No worry. This is my guy. We just did London. They enjoy and they plan show for a year. Big boy. Now let me tell you something. Where Massacre? Dr. Massacre. Is he honorary? Where Dr. Nat? Where in day? Where my fellow doctor now? This doctor wanted they come out smoke to see. Now native. See this doctor not one and they hate for here. For Canada. Nani. If they lie, I show the video. Nani. Which city we meet for Canada? Keep quiet matter to who don't travel. Oh, Winnipeg. Say, you just call where you know for Canada. Toronto. So who come from the place? You say Winnipeg. You know go know him because you know Winifred. All right. Listen to me. Matajoko, how are you? Montreal. Yes, Montreal. Yeah? The city where we meet, now they explain. Not you be the artist when you perform. Even your friends, they not dance to the song. Now maybe the quick conscious, I go observe everybody. Now, sir, success comes with a lot of war. We are baggy. Listen, not they want me. You know they see me, they talk to big men. If my papa there, if I go sit talk to them, calm down. That's why I love the rich. You follow rich, crack joke, you go laugh, sit last call, no matter what you tell her, you go happy. See Chief Lawrence, no matter what you tell her, you know the verse. That's rich man, poor man. I just don't like, hey, take the show, go finish, I go beat you for outside. I love the rich, man. I love the rich. Now rich go follow. Ah, God. I must make a move. Ah. Baggy. My guy, that big guy, correct guy. They support my show. God bless you, sir. Now, where was I? Success. Chief Lawrence. Now what this I not concern you. You last God, one of the discuss. You know concern you. You listen you. On my wife listening, even though you no go use them, don't listen. Now, listen, success come with a lot of attack. People when they're successful know how they talk. Come with a lot of war, a lot of fight. Yes. Now, which day I post house, Tunde post my house. People call they comment. There is dignity in labor. Congratulations, fam. One girl from nowhere. Comment. Reply my DM now.
So before you go to
Baba Jogodo, wait. So we should be reply my DM now. Now my manager call me, say, get one when they tag you for your comment section. Say, may you reply at DM. Ah. The next year, they post another thing to get it right. Should I talk to you here? I know say talk when they talk for comment, no they go well. Now I really go to get DM. As I go to get DM, truly, I see one small girl picture. When they send, I check the picture, like 6 pictures. I say, which girl be this? Say, man, look and where. I said, I don't know this girl. He said, I'm my daughter. I said, how old is this girl? He said, 9 years. 9 years ago, they stay with who? They stay with person. So how come? Now the girl say, man, I look the eye. I look the eye, I no see another eye inside. Oh. Baba, listen, I don't know. Now the girl, the time say, if you don't believe me, I ask her, why are you telling me now? Say, I'm waiting for the right time. We may get patients to wicked. I said, okay. Now the girl say, if you don't trust me, we can do DNA. Me, I just proud. How much with DNA? We'll go do DNA. Jesus. I know say DNA, they bring many things. If not be DNA, I don't tell no say person name na Pascal Okechukwu. That's okay, we'll go do DNA. True life story. Now we go Clinics Hospital, Anthony Ikeja. As we reach, I see one man with 4 children. When I see the way motor full for the place, I know say the place result strong. One man with 4 children, the manager they shout. For what? Am I selling them? No, you can't tell me that. The next is just say, let's go. He carried the 4 children, come out. Now they say, sir, you, me. Now I hold the 9 years old girl. Now we read it. They say, what are you here for? I say, DNA. They say, which type? I don't know, say type. Yeah, you know, say now they get police case. Now they know when they're in renovate station. Listen to me, you.
Sweet Fanta Diallo, I know fit forget you.
Listen, wait. Now say, okay. Now the girl say, okay, we have 2 types, paternity and legal. I said, what's the difference? Flash, the way they shake it. I'll set up your story. I said, what's the difference? I said, paternity is to know the biological father or mother of the child, while legal are papers to back you to travel with the child. I said, wait, we'll look the biological before we legal. Now the girl looked at it, just back. Now I say, 2.6 million. I said, DNA. Now the girl them say, sir, is 2.4 million. You know, say as I just hear the 2.4 million, now look the girl, we resemble.
Is it because I love you? Is it because I care?
Anyway, now I say Lulu, he say daddy, I say yeah. I say Lulu, he say I say let's go. As they go, now the pikin say daddy, I say waiting, say you funny die.
Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri, Yadadi the 29th edition.